Hey, what's up guys? Tyler with American Wrap Company here. Today I'm bringing you a 2019 Ford GT. The car came to us for a ton of protection. We're super proud of how it came out. Let's take a look at everything we've done. So one thing on this Ford GT that was super important to us was getting all the exposed carbon inside the cockpit protected with XPEL Stealth so that the driver and passenger's feet don't nick all this stuff up. Some of this stuff can't be replaced and is permanently attached to the body of the car, so why not wrap it in Stealth? The first thing we did when car 179 came to us was a thorough decontamination and wash. We always want to make sure the surface is as smooth as possible prior to beginning any work. The customer had provided us with an AI file rendering of how they wanted the car to look. From that file, we created vectors and made their dream a reality. Once the vinyl was all laid, we began work with XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. With the XPEL, we extended all of our edges and manipulated the pattern to get deep coverage. We also created custom pieces in the high chip-prone areas on the underside of the car and under the doors. From there, we ceramic coated the entire car with XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating to create an ultra-high gloss, ultra-hydrophobic, low surface energy surface. This will help with cleaning and dust removal in the future. Then we ceramic tinted the windshield and side rolled down windows. The windshield got XPEL Prime XR Plus 70% and the roll downs got 35%. This film rejects 99% of UVA, UVB rays and 98% of infrared heat. Lastly, we installed a Clear Plex windshield skin, making the windshield far more crack resistant.